In this video, we're going to be learning the Kendama trick known as inward whirlwind. It looks like this. Now, in order to do this trick, you want to make sure that you know the trick whirlwind. So if you don't know that one, make sure you go and check out that video that we did. To start the trick off, you're going to hold it in a modified Ken grip, like we learned in the whirlwind video. You're going to have your thumb up against the crown right here. Then you're going to have your middle finger and your index finger on the top and the bottom, beneath and below the crown. And so this will allow you to rotate the Ken easier when you're doing the trick. So the first part is going to be doing a really slow earth turn, and you're going to do a standard earth turn, not an inward, even though the trick is inward whirlwind, and that'll allow you to track the hole a lot easier when you're doing the trick. So you just want to practice lobbing up the earth turn really slowly like that. Once you feel comfortable with that, you can move on to the second part. In this part, we're going to be rotating Ken the opposite way that we would in a whirlwind, and instead we're going to point the spike away from us, and we're going to pull the bottom of the Ken inward. So it'll look like this. And you want to make sure you practice that a bunch, because if you're not comfortable throwing the Ken inward and catching it with the spike straight up, it's going to make the trick really difficult. So you can practice the two together and really make sure that's two separate motions. So you're going to lob the earth and then you're going to do the inward Ken flip. And you can practice those like that just to get comfortable with the motion. And once you feel like your earths are slow enough and you're catching the Ken inward every time, then you can go ahead and put the two things together. And that is how you do inward whirlwind.